This is our UV spectrophotometer model UV3200 xenon. So the source of this instrument is xenon, and the advantage of xenon lamp is the life of the xenon lamp is more than 5 years, which is better than D2 lamp. The detector is photodiode detector. This can run from 190 to 1100 nm. The complete range is 190 to 1100 nm. This is a double beam spectrophotometer. This instrument is inbuilt PC with touchscreen. This is a sample compartment. It's a double beam, that's why this is our reference, and this is the 8 sample holder. You can put at a time 8 different batches of the same sample, so it will move automatically and it will detect all absorbance and transmittance automatically. It will run through the software. So we have a 8 sample cell changer. Here we have a different modes in software. We have first one is the photometry. Here you can check with single wavelength absorbance as well as transmittance. Then we have a multiple wavelength facility, that there you can go up to 20 different wavelengths. Then we have a kinetic mode. Here you can run the sample which you want to check for a kinetic reaction. Then we have a time scan. There you can check the sample with particular time. Then we have a quantitative analysis. Here you can check the unknown concentration of your sample. Here we have different facilities to calculate the concentration curve. So standard curve you can calculate with different standards, with different wavelengths. You can check for single wavelength, you can check for multiple wavelengths. So all those facilities are there in the quantitative analysis. Then we have a DNA protein mode. Here we have customized method as well as we have fixed methods by which you can calculate the DNA and protein factor. Then we have a spectrum mode. Here you can run the sample in the spectrum mode to check the spectra. You can get peak as well as valley. It can detect peak as well as valley. You can calculate derivative curves up to 4th derivative. You can calculate the peak. Then you can calculate the area under peak. Then you will have a multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. All those facilities are there in the spectrum mode. Then we have a file manager. Here whatever the results you are going to do, all will get stored in the file manager. We have a custom method. There you can use your own formula. You can develop your own formula by which you can calculate the result of your sample. Then we can do this, we can run this instrument under 21 CFR part 11. But whenever you want to run with 21 CFR part 11, you have to connect this instrument with the PC. There you have to load the software and you can run the instrument through that software, and you will have a 21 CFR part 11. There you can make your own users under different groups. You can give different rights, and you will have an audit trail over there. Everything will get stored in the audit trail. Also here in the instrument, whatever the run you are going to do, those results you can export to Excel as well as Word. You can convert the result to PDF, and you can take the print of the PDF. You can connect USB over here. You can transfer the data to USB. Here with this instrument, you can connect the instrument to the LAN. You can connect the monitor over here. If you want to run with that monitor, you can connect the external monitor over here. We have HDMI connection over here. Here you can connect 2 USB ports are there. So here total 3 USB ports are there, and you can connect the instrument to PC through USB cable.